Did you start your day unhappy when looking in a mirror this morning? Where is your old beautiful hair? You spent a lot of your money and received hair care treatment. You have even tried shampoos and wigs planning to grow hair. And finally, you have decided to have a hair transplant. So, which clinic is right for you? It's time to meet Hair Transplant Specialist team. Simply click on www.hairtransplantspecialist.com.my or contact our clinic consultant. You will be required to send your 5-angle pictures. Our doctor will draw and mark your hairline and other recipient area to provide the most natural appearance. The procedure will last about 8 to 10 hours depending on the number of grafts needed in your case. Since the procedure is performed under local anesthesia, you will not feel any pain and you will be awake throughout the procedure. Within 3 days after the procedure, you can go back to your normal routine. Scabs occurring in the transplanted area will automatically disappear within a couple of days. And after a month, you will have your first haircut and will be able to touch your natural looking hair after 8 to 10 months. Now you have gained your confidence with your new look. Thank you for watching our video.